Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Guys, my name is Karen and I am, what am I doing? Okay, I am on a journey to aggressively pay off my mortgage and to save. That's what I'm doing. So first I want to let you know how I plan on saving an additional $20,000 for my high yield savings this year. So first, I have one $5,050 100 envelope savings challenge. So after I complete this will be $5,000 and $5,050. Okay, so this is where I am so far in the month of March. So this will be 5,000. Another 5,000 will come from this 100 envelope savings challenge, and I am working on it. So I am this far along in the month of March. So that's 10,000. The other 5,000 will come from scratch offs, and every time I scratch off, I complete a scratch off savings challenge, I just add to it. So by this being the month of March, I've completed quite a few, I would say. So these are all of the scratch offs that I've completed between January and March. So I am moving along pretty well with my scratch offs. Okay, and again, my goal is to have 5,000 completed in scratch offs. So that would be 15,000, and then the last 5,000 will come from this book here. And I created challenges for every month. So we are in the month of March, and each month is a different amount, and it will add up to $5,000 in addition to my other challenges that I created as well. Okay, and these can be found in the link that I provided in the description box, and they're downloadable. Okay, so this will be the last 5,000. So that will give me a total of $20,000 saved in my high yield savings. So right now, guys, I have $46, and I want to add $40 to my March challenge. And guys, I also have some Happy Mail that I want to share. Okay, and 40. And I have $6, so I'm going to try to see if there's a place where I can add that $6. But for now, I'm going to put the $40 here. And then see where I can add 6. I also have Nita's challenge from the Almost Organized Owl. And yeah, I already have the 6 colored in. So, well, actually, here's a 4. I wonder if, oh, it's a 5 here. So guys, I'm gonna color in this 5. Yay. There we go. It's going to work out, okay? And I don't believe there's $1 on here anywhere. So I am going to add the $5. I feel like I don't want to miss it if it is $1 on here, but I don't think so. So I'm going to add the $5 here. And then the final dollar, whenever I have between $1 and $4, I put it in my dollar jar, if I can find it, right here. So I will add this last dollar into my dollar jar so that I don't owe IOUs, etc. So if I have some lingering dollars, they go right there. And I'm going to add it to this challenge here, or this savings jar. Guys, so that's that. So that will be my $20,000 that I plan on saving in my high yield savings. Now guys, I did receive some happy mail. And as you can see, I need $5,000 in my scratch offs. So I'm constantly looking for scratch offs, guys. And I saw these cuties on Etsy and wowed Everest at Etsy. And I thought these were just way too cute. 2025. It's a $2 to $10 challenge. Call me antisocial, but please don't call me. I thought that was too cute. From $3 to $10. That's a wrap. Super cute Christmas. And that's $1 to $5. And then I have some freebies. Yay. Positivity. I am a tea drinker, guys. I absolutely love tea. And this is a farm. So these are freebies. So yeah, guys, I am on the hunt always for scratch offs because I need to save $5,000 in my scratch off binder. So guys, that's all I have today. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. I am excited about this year and paying off as much of my mortgage principal as possible and saving in my high yield savings. So guys, if that's something that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.